Hey there, let's walk through the process of creating a new campaign in Konnector. First, go to the Campaigns tab and then click on Create Campaign. On the first page, you will see the campaign details. Here, you can select multiple LinkedIn senders that will carry out your outreach actions and then give your campaign a name. You will also notice options like auto comment and approve. By default, all the AI comments will require your approval before posting on LinkedIn on your behalf. If this auto comment toggle is turned on, then the comments will be auto posted without your approval. Once that is done, click on continue. Now, it's time to assign your leads. Select the lead list you want to work with and then click on this checkbox to include the entire list in this campaign. Leads in this particular list will auto-update as the new leads will be scrapped. Then click on Continue. Next, you will need to choose the campaign flow. Konnector provides many default flows that you can use or customize. This time, we will select a saved campaign. This flow already includes an AI comment step before the connection request. The flow typically starts with actions like following the lead's profile, liking its post, visiting their profile, and commenting on a post. The idea is to create multiple social touchpoints step by step and gradually build a relationship with each prospect at scale. After building your social capital, you can then send a connection request. You can also send follow-up messages or even an email. The flow also adapts based on actions. For example, if a lead has already visited your profile, Konnector can trigger the next step in the sequence based on your prospect's action. After selecting the flow, click on Continue and then click on Launch Campaign. You can see that your campaign has been successfully launched. Once the campaign is live, you can track its progress in real time. In the campaign dashboard, you will find all the stats you need, like number of connection requests sent or accepted, messages sent or replies received, AI comments made, and many more. You can check the Leads tab for checking the status of each lead and filter for a specific status or a campaign step. The Activities tab to see all the ongoing actions. From the Comments Management tab, you can approve AI-generated comments, and you can also use webhooks for triggering action on important campaign steps like when a prospect replies. You also have the edit option here. It lets you add new steps or modify your campaign flow anytime. Just go back to the campaign flow and then click on this plus symbol to add new step in the campaign. And that's it. This is how you create and manage a LinkedIn campaign in Konnector. Thank you.